Hey, what's up guys? Anthony here again. We're back at it. Today we got some tacos. Today we're gonna be doing some bison short rib tacos and some vegetarian potato tacos. Let's get straight into it. Here's what you're gonna need. So here I've got the tortillas. I've got 2 flour for the rolled potato tacos, and then I'm doing white corn for the short rib. American New York cheddar. Here's our bison short rib, bone in of course. Mashed potato. This one is just your regular Bucon golden mashed potato that we're using for the stuffing today. Our beautiful oyster mushroom blend from New Mexico Fungi. Our pickled onion, and I decided to do a little pickled habanero here just for a little spice. Salsa verde, and our braising liquid from our short rib. So I'm going to do like little taquitos here. So we're going to do this, kind of flatten it out a little bit. Mushrooms and some cheese. And again, these are like really good to use or to make if you have mashed potatoes left over from the next day. Just throw them into a little flour tortilla, a little cheese, and put whatever you want inside. Spinach, artichokes, whatever you got. And then from here, it's like rolling a burrito almost. So you roll over, and you kind of tuck it. I'm going to roll it again, and I'm going to press on it a little bit so that they kind of come out here and then pack that. And I'm going to leave that face down. Excuse me, same on this side. We're going to roll it. It's okay if stuff comes out, we'll clean it up later. Going to pat that down, come back here and restuff this side. Just so you don't have anything loose really coming out. And then this is what we're going to want to seal with the oil. So again, I'm doing a shallow fry here, which is in a pan as opposed to a deep fryer. That's just what we're working with today. This oil is 400 degrees right now. We checked it with the temperature. Just be careful when you put it in. Just set it down. Same with this side. And now the oil is going to start to cool down. So I'm going to turn it up a little bit, just so it maintains that nice level of heat, so then we can continue to fry it. Now while those are frying, I'm going to turn on this guy, and that's where my short rib is going to go. So we're going to re-braise this. What I have here is already braised bison. We braise it kind of how you would braise anything. We didn't really film how we braised it, but we can definitely do that in a separate video. I feel like there's a lot of short rib braising videos out there, but I can show you how we did it with the buffalo or the bison in this case. So in this case, we take our braising liquid, and I'm just gonna kind of push this out a little bit just to make it a little bit easier to cook. And then you can see how moist that is, that I can just pull it apart. Cool. Low heat, and I'm going to cap this so that it evenly distributes that heat all the way around. I don't really need the bone unless you have a dog or something. Yeah. So very carefully we're going to lift this. I'm going to kind of take it to the edge and put my finger here. Again, please just be careful at home. A nice golden color. Ooh, that one's got a little dark, but yeah. Nice color here. And you can kind of toss that oil inside of the taquito, just so we get some nice color all around, but it looks like it's doing really well. I'm gonna grab some napkins and get ready to pull these so they can kind of dry out a little bit. We're gonna do pretty much the same thing for the short rib tacos, but I'm going to fold them, and they're going to be in a corn tortilla. So it's going to be a little bit different, a little bit more traditional taquito style. Will just be folded. they're going to be delicious nonetheless because we're going to use that liquid as our sauce. Again, very carefully, guys, with hot oil. Kind of let this... I'm going this way. And then those guys will just strain there. Notice how it puffed up and you get that really crispy sound. Again, they got a little dark, but it's fine. I'm just going to reuse this oil as well for my tacos over here. And I'm just going to get this pan a little warm, ready to go. This oil can turn off. It's already hot enough for me to use. There's going to be a technique that we use for doing the tacos once this beef is ready to go. Oh yeah. And I'm going to be dipping it. So I'm going to like dip the corn tortilla, kind of flatten it out here, and then we're going to fold it. And it'll be like a nice little, not so much shallow fry, but a regular fry, I would say. We'll start with 2. So again, I'm going to dip this. It is going to react a little bit. I'm going to put that over here. I'm going to take a little bit of this. Set that in there. Then I'm going to come over with my cheese. You'll see the tortillas move. They'll bubble up a little bit. The tortillas will really tell you when they're ready. I think we can even squeeze one more in here. And then like with my spatula, I'll like lift it to look at it, see where that color's at. Still need some time, and honestly we can even crank this up a little bit. Yeah, still need some time on that. So now here, we can probably just close it. Oh yeah. And then you're gonna get some like crispy bits that I really want to save. Oh yeah, they'll stick to their tortilla. That's where that good stuff is. Oh yeah. Cool, so for the taquitos, I think I'm gonna go with that. I'll put a little bit top. And again, I'm just doing salsa verde. You guys feel free to do sour cream, cabbage, whatever you'd like. In this scenario, I'm just doing a little bit of pickled veg, a little bit of salsa verde is not too hot. Just do some of these guys. And a little pickled habanero for y'all. Cool. And here we have it. Yep.
It's not like spicy, right?
The salsa verde, no.
Okay.
It's like a little tomatillo salsa.
Okay.
Here, should I take this off or leave it on?
Let's
Try all of it
Try the
together.
flavor, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Oh no. Well, that's really good.
All right, Devin.
What's up?
Try one.
Okay.
That's good.
This is the bison?
Yeah.
What's that?
Potato, mushroom, a little bit of cheddar.
What's in here?
The bison white cheddar. If you got the front one, there's also mushroom and potato in that one.
Nice.
Yeah, that one's a loaded one.
Yeah. Yeah. That's solid.
All right, guys, and that's how you make short rib tacos with rolled potato tacos. Go ahead and hit that like button. Maybe drop a comment Let us know what we should do for our next video. And as always, subscribe. Thanks.